Hello, everybody. My name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And what I'm about to show you guys, this is an old recording that I am showing you all. I am going to make some hot water cornbread. And I am using Aunt Jemima self-rising white cornmeal mix. It has its flour, salt, and baking powder already blended in. And I am going to scoop out 2 cups of the white cornmeal. 2 cups. And next I am going to pour in hot water. You don't want it too loosely, but try to get it to where you can form it into a ball. You don't want it too loose. So this is about the right consistency that I'm looking for. And next I am going to sprinkle in some sugar. Just a little, not much. So now it is the consistency that I was looking for. So now I'm going to form it into a patty. So I am using vegetable oil and I am frying them until they get a golden brown. So here I am going to flip them. another way I'm showing you guys, instead of you making them into a patty, you can also spoon it in. So you guys, I am going to finish up cooking the rest of them. Please enjoy the video. And now I am finished cooking them, and they are at a golden brown color, and just look how beautiful they are. Look how they turned out. Almost look like cookies. Okay, you guys, I am going to sample a piece, and trust me, it was good. Hot water cornbread. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Come back next time, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.